Be ready? 5 seconds to go. Start. Keeping in view the nature of offence, age of prosecutrix as well as non-availability of her parents at the time of commission of offence, I am of the view that the delay has properly been explained. Stop. Moreover, in reporting such type of matters to the police, when prestige of the family and future prospects of the minor girl are involved, it takes time to decide whether the matter should be reported to the police or not. Stop. There are certain minor discrepancies and contradictions in the statements of the witnesses, which are not relevant and immaterial, and the same are to be ignored. Stop. It has also not been proved on record that the accused appellant Dhambir was falsely implicated in his case with certain motives. Stop. There was no litigation pending between the family members of the prosecutrix and accused appellant. Stop. Keeping in view the evidence available on record, including the statements of the doctor, prosecutrix, and eyewitnesses, I find no reason to interfere with the findings recorded by the trial court. Accordingly, RSA number 846 SB of 2009 filed by the accused appellant, namely Dhambir, is hereby dismissed. Stop. Since the appellant is on bail as his sentence was suspended by this court during pendency of the appeal, he be taken in custody forthwith to undergo remaining part of the sentence. To criminal appeal number S 2599 SB of 2012 has been filed against judgment of acquittal of accused respondents, namely Karambir alias Bhira, Ramesh alias Mesa, Rama, and Srimati Bulli Devi, on the ground that contradictory findings has been recorded by the trial court, whereas it has been provided on record that accused persons were presented at the time of incident which had occurred inside the house of the prosecutrix. Stop. The injury has been proved on record. Still, the accused have been acquitted on the charge framed against them. Stop. The findings recorded by the trial court while acquitting the accused respondents are reproduced as under. Stop. As regards to the offences alleged against the accused Karambir alias Bhira, Ramesh alias Mesa, Rama, and Srimati Bulli Devi under sections 323, 506, 452, read with section 34 IPC and section 3 within bracket 1 within bracket 11 of the Act, for which they are facing the trial, the prosecutrix case has not proved on the file. Stop. To prove the offences under section 3 within bracket 1 within bracket 11 of the Act, prosecution was required to prove the basic ingredients that offence was committed at the public place and within the public view, and victim of the case belongs to scheduled caste or scheduled tribe community, and that fact must be within the knowledge of accused persons